Black Spectacles helped me achieve licensure about as fast as I could possibly do it. It just provides a good framework for understanding the tough questions on the exam, but not so deep that I'm wasting time focused on nuanced items that aren't going to be on the test.
We started with just the video lecture access, which was great, but we very quickly learned that not everyone is studying that particular way. Some people felt better with flashcards or practice exams. They were, again, better back of the taxi, on the subway, on the work commute.
It allows them to kind of cultivate their own study habits in a way that they feel is better for themselves, and it enhances their experience of studying and make it a little bit less stressful.
It was wonderful to be able to provide a current tool that the employees were happy about and looking forward to.
I enjoyed the practice exams and the format that it's in, and being able to see what questions I got wrong and for what reasons. So that was helpful because I think some of the questions may have been very similar to questions that show up on the exams. It was actually perfect. I liked that it told me the percentage of material I've gone through, and then I can actually plan ahead of time how many hours I need to allocate to studying.
Any way that you can study, that works for you is great, and I think the more stuff that we have to offer, it makes us a stronger firm.
The coaching program was exactly what I needed. It was a kick in the butt, so to speak, but something I'm happy I went forward with.
When I started looking for study experiences, I bought all the books, did not read any of them, because when you look at the study material, it is a literal mountain on your desk. So having a group that is starting in at the same page from day one, it makes that mountain a molehill.
Any program that's going to put, a 6-month timeline, 12-month timeline, whatever it is on the candidates, it's going to help them get licensed quicker.